दोस्तों इस क्लास में आपको डिक्टेशन दूंगा मैं 100 WPM पर 600 वर्ड्स की डिक्टेशन है, आपको डिक्टेशन में प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूं। बी रेडी फॉर इट। By an application under Section 8 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 on behalf of Regency, the arbitration clause in the agreement was set out and the civil judge, senior division, was asked to refer the parties to arbitration. The learned advocate appearing on behalf of the appellant has taken us through the record and argued that when it comes to serious allegations of fraud, an arbitrator's jurisdiction gets ousted, and reading the pleadings in the special civil suit, it is obvious that serious allegations of fraud being raised in the present case, the dispute is thus rendered non-arbitrable. She then referred to Section 8 of the 1996 Act as amended by the Arbitration and Conciliation Amendment Act 2015 to further argue that both the district judge as well as the High Court did not look into the requirements of the amended Section 8. She also urged that basing herself on the 7-judge bench judgment that the correct application of Section 8 is not a mere mechanical incantation of the section, the court having to apply its mind as to whether there exists an arbitration agreement at all, which would include whether the subject matter of the proceeding is at all arbitrable. She also argued that the original agreement did not contain an arbitration clause, and since the suit was to set aside that agreement as well, the dispute could not be decided piecemeal, and on this ground also ought not to have been referred to arbitration. She then relied heavily upon Section 31 of the Specific Relief Act 1963 and stated that a reading of the plaint and the prayers in the suit would show that the suit is one for cancellation of 3 written instruments. This being so, and the proceeding under Section 31 being a proceeding in rem, would fall within one of the exceptions made out. For this purpose, she relied heavily upon a judgment of the High Court of Judicature at Hyderabad for Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. On all these grounds, therefore, the cryptic judgment of the Bombay High Court ought to be set aside and the suit should be set down for hearing to be disposed of within a short time frame. The learned senior advocate appearing on behalf of respondent number 1 referred us to the case law on the fraud exception and stated that after the judgment this exception would only apply if it can be stated that the agreement itself was never executed, in which case the arbitration clause itself would fall, but not otherwise. Also, since there are no public ramifications in the present proceeding, and in particular no ramifications of a criminal nature, neither of the conditions precedent for the application of the fraud exception being present in this case, it is clear that the judgments of the courts below were correct in law. When it came to Section 31 of the Specific Relief Act, the learned senior advocate stated that a correct reading of the section would show that the court's jurisdiction being discretionary and for the benefit of the party interested in setting aside a written instrument, the proceeding would have to be considered to be one in personam. According to him, the judgment in Alliance Developers does not lay down the law correctly and should be overruled by us. In answer to the argument that the agreement, which did not contain an arbitration clause, was also sought to be cancelled in the suit, he argued that this was inserted only in the prayer clause in order to camouflage the suit so as to get out of arbitration. दोस्तों इसी के साथ ही डिक्टेशन फिनिश होती है और मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है आप लोगों ने इसे अच्छे से लिखा होगा। स्पीड 100 से थोड़ी ज़्यादा है, 102 इसकी स्पीड होगी। इतना तो मुझे लगता है कि अब आप लोग मैनेज कर ही लेते होंगे, क्योंकि लगातार इस तरीके के मैटर्स आप लिखते हुए आ रहे हैं। प्रैक्टिस ज़्यादा करेंगे तो इम्प्रूवमेंट ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आपको दिखाई देगी। बहुत सारी वीडियोस अपलोड की जा चुकी हैं, तो आप उनकी प्रैक्टिस लगातार करते रहिए, रिपीटेडली उनकी प्रैक्टिस कीजिए ताकि एग्जाम में आपको कोई दिक्कत ना आए। यहाँ पर मैं ब्रैकेट कॉमा आपको कुछ भी नहीं बोलता हूँ, बट एग्जाम में लीगल डिक्टेशंस के टाइम पर ये आपको बोले जाते हैं, तो वहाँ पर आपके लिए बहुत ईजी हो जाता है। अगर आप इस तरीके से डिक्टेशंस करते हैं और वहाँ पर आपको ब्रैकेट्स बोले जाएँ तो वो आपके लिए बहुत ईजी हो जाता है। ठीक है दोस्तों, सो आपसे मुलाकात करता हूँ मैं अगली क्लास में अगली ट्रांसक्रिप्शन के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय, टेक केयर।